Bajaj is back with a new affordable Triumph T4. Yes, it is affordable, and to have the bike affordable, there are a few design changes. Let us take a look into the design aspects making it pocket friendly. Let's talk about the engine. Engine is now detuned from the Speed 400's calibration. Though the engine capacity remains same, the power bands are a bit on the lower side. The Speed 400 delivered 40 PS at 8000 RPM, whereas the new T4 delivers 31 PS at 7000 RPM, which is a significant drop in the power delivery. Triumph has significantly lowered the power output and has increased the low-end torque figures to keep you easily moving through the city traffic. Let's talk about the suspension now. The T4 gets a telescopic fork, whereas the Speed 400 had upside-down fork. This is a significant cost in which the T4 has gone through. Though the telescopic forks have no impact on the stability factor, but yes, at high speed you might feel the difference if you're someone who was used to the Speed 400's ride and handling. Both the Speed 400 and T4 gets monoshocks RSU with external reservoir and preload adjustment, and I would say that Triumph has smartly fiddled with the wheel travel, whereas the T4 limits wheel travel by 120 mm and the Speed 400 had 130 mm travel. Exhaust, yes, the Speed 400 had stainless steel twin skin header system with stainless steel silencer, whereas the T4 gets a steel twin skin header system with powder coated pipe and silencer. That's a major price trim making the T4 affordable. Let's not forget that the powder coat and use of steel for the exhaust keep the production cost significantly low. Electronics. The Triumph Speed T4 though retains the speedometer console from the Speed 400, there has been a significant price trim which the Bajaj has been able to manage by cutting off the traction control feature. The electronics is slightly cheaper than what the Speed 400 had. The plastics have undergone a significant change, be it the front fender or the rear ones, or the EFI car. New tires on the front brake calipers have been pitched in. The bar and mirrors from the Speed 400 now gets replaced by conventional bar mount mirrors. Let us know in the comment section and what do you think of the new T4 and the price trim which the motorcycle has gone through. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Rev Extreme for a high octane mix of motorcycle knowledge, adventure and fun.